I'm gonna show you how to unlock your Sentry safe. It's pretty easy. It's a 3 combination safe. So you go to the left, right, and left. So counterclockwise, clockwise. So let's just say, for example, the combination is 10, 20, and 30. So we're gonna put it here on 0. We're gonna start. So you go 10, pass it 1, 2, and you stop here on the 10. Then you go right or clockwise. You go past 20 twice, that's 1. You stop on it the second time, 2. And then you go straight to 30 and it'll open. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my combination. I'm gonna put it on 0. So we're gonna go left, 2. I stopped on the first number, 1. Stopped on the second number. Then I go straight to the third number. Safe opens. That's all to it. And then close it. And turn the combination back. And that's it.